Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia Chinyere. I'm a Nigerian based final year pharmaceutical technology student and a small business owner. So, in this video, I'm gonna be making my best selling resin product from scratch. So, I'm working with just two different colors, red and blue. For my measurement, I'm not making use of my weighing balance or my mixing cup. What I'll be using for my measurement is my spoon. Reason because the mold requires a small amount of resin and hardener. So to get the accurate measurement of what I want, I'll be making use of spoon. Remember, I always work with 2:1 resin and hardener. So the mixture of resin and hardener amount I need is just 2 spoons, and in order for me to divide this 2 spoon in 2:1, I have to measure 1.5 spoon of resin and half spoon of hardener, making them 2 spoons in total. So each color will be having 2 spoons of resin and hardener mixture, which is the 2:1. For beginners in raising art, I always advise my students to make use of their wearing balance or mixing cup in order not to make any mistake and to get an accurate measurement. Please, if you need a video of the simple hack I use to know the amount of resin and hardener mixture that will contain any mold I'm using to work, just tell me in the comment section. I'm gonna prepare a video for that. Also, if you have any question in regard to raising art, any confusion, anything you don't understand, just ask me in the comment section. Thank you. If you love my video and my craft, always make sure you watch till the end. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have any update.